Is there a better way to see what you're welding? Wouldn't more natural color and contrast help? We think so. That's why we proudly present the new Speedglas Welding Filter 9100 XXI. Yes, this is a shade 3 light state, though the filter appears lighter and less green, allowing you to more readily recognize colors and contrasts. Even in the dark state when welding, you see contours better. Clearly more colorful. Just one of the many ways the Speedglas 9100 XXI filter may help you be more precise and productive. Compatible with all 3M Speedglas Welding Helmet Series 9100.